This
is
ancient papyrus you have in here.
That's a stack of recipes.
The scrolls.
And the scrolls of rustic steakhouse barbecue shrimp.
Looks like a lot of homework that used to be stuck like in my backpack at the very bottom.
Mayonnaise, 1 egg yolk,
1
teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon dried mustard, olive oil, salt to taste, pepper to taste, vinegar to taste.
Back up. This recipe for mayonnaise
Yeah.
has mustard in it.
Dry mustard.
What the fuck is dry mustard? How am I going to put dry mustard on my burger?
Together the egg yolk and mustard. Pour olive oil, little by little, over the egg mix, beating all the while.
Beating all the while. You gotta go in the back and beat my mustard.
Beat until thick. Add salt, pepper, and vinegar to your taste. There's all kinds of treasures in here. Coffee cake.
We get it. You have recipes.
Pancakes. Chicken and seafood with rice. Anyway, man, welcome back to another follow-up, y'all.
Welcome back.
We're looking at last Friday's recipe boxes. Made those as Crimby gifts. I was thinking they should be about the size of an index card. Then we have like all these
weirdly
pages.
strangely shaped recipes.
No, yeah, those were made with finger joints. This is my first time doing finger joints. Well, I didn't hear from nobody on that.
Nobody.
Project. Nobody.
It did come out during the holidays.
The Friday after New Year's.
Yeah, I think everybody's probably busy or recovering from residual hangover effects. I'm dying.
Jeez.
Sorry, I think they got on your recipes.
No. The recipes have been compromised. Yeah, so I didn't hear from nobody on that, but it looks like a lot of people are watching it. Dude, it's 69 views right
69
now.
69 views?
Yeah.
Hey.
But I like those projects, and all the recipients of the boxes like them. Dude, I did the laser engraver on there.
I know.
Forbidden.
Getting fancy at work, using work equipment.
Dude, and then last Wednesday was us celebrating New Year's with our glasses and our balloons that were back there.
Yeah, we're very barren right now, y'all.
Yeah, very barren in this transitional time period.
Transitional.
It's stressing me out to the max, y'all. I've got anxiety.
Applying to rent houses that are like HOA in nature. God, they want to know everything about you.
I know.
They're straight up like extrajudicial.
You think they'll watch the channel?
They might. They might.
So on our Happy New Year's follow up, we did hear from HTFG.
HT New Year FG.
Yeah.
New year, new hair.
I think I had asked like what weird stuff we should eat in the new year, and you asked what's your favorite Daft Punk song.
Oh yeah.
Did you forget about that?
I did.
And we put pressure on Kevin.
Yeah.
To answer it. So HTFG told us Happy New Year. Thank you, Gary.
Happy New Year,
Happy
Gary.
New Year, Gary.
The real Gary.
He says no favorite song. So more pressure on Kevin.
More pressure on Kevin.
He said we could get a follow-up sign to hang behind us. That is something I thought about. I need to do that.
That would be cool.
It would be cool.
It would be cool.
It would be quill. Food to eat, Lucky New Year food, turnip greens.
Turnip greens and probably the black-eyed peas.
Black-eyed peas.
Yeah.
And 12 grapes each.
Is that a thing? I've not heard of this tradition. Just 12 grapes, one for every month of the year?
Yeah. Dude.
What does the grape signify?
Juicy thickness.
Juicy. Every month is juicy and thick.
Yeah, dude. We should do that.
Can
Next time we're having grapes.
Can you even get grapes in winter?
Dude, Gary says fingers crossed for both of us getting a new place, because they're also looking. Gary, I hope your search is not as, like, anxiety-ridden as mine is.
Yeah.
Best of luck to you, Gary. Yo, I'm stressed to the max.
He gonna get it. And if he don't get it, he gonna find something else. It'll be right.
Ken Ferner says Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Ken.
Happy New Year,
Happy New
Mr.
Year.
Ferner.
Mr. Ferner.
J-Miss.
Happy New Year.
J-Miss says Happy New Year. Happy New Year's, Mr. Mess.
Mr. Mess. The man Mess himself.
The Mess himself.
Mess himself. The one and only Mess.
Dude, old Kevin.
Oh, Kevin.
Old Kevin.
You best pick a Daft Punk song, Kevin.
So he says, Happy New Year as well.
Happy New Year, Kevin!
Happy New Year, Kevin. He said, gotta put all the pressure on me.
Yes.
Favorite Favorite Daft Punk song would be One More Time.
One More Time's a good one.
Or Get Lucky.
Get Lucky's a good one, too. It's like probably my favorite song that has Pharrell on it. I don't really care for any of the other discography, but...
And Kevin says, in all caps, put your music on your channel, Adam, with 2 exclamation marks.
I do have videos I can post. Like, they're ready to go.
Yeah, dude. It doesn't just have to be, Means Woodshop songs. He says, looking forward to the new shop coming in 2020. That will be exciting. And he doesn't know what to tell us what food we should eat. Yeah, I'm excited too, Kevin, but it's still like giving me jaw-clenching anxiety.
I don't think anything worth actually being excited over isn't worth having a little bit of anxiety.
Y'all, my house looks weird. You can't see it, but there's boxes everywhere.
Yeah.
That's why we're so bare. We still got Victor up there, though.
We're just bald.
Yeah, my dad says maybe I'll leave his shop clean when I transfer locations.
It's a win-win for everybody.
I will, Dad. We get into those little bickering matches sometimes where it's like, you made this mess, and I'm like, no, not that part. That part wasn't my mess. And it's like, boy, you better get this sawdust out of here. I'm like, yeah, any dust in there is definitely mine.
It definitely is.
Definitely mine, and chunky wood chunks on the floor and stuff.
You've been blowing chunks in his shop.
Yeah, dude. I mean, that was it. What's your weekly question, I guess? Big Boy Original Double Decker Hamburger Classic.
It's like my nickname in high school.
I
guess my weekly question is, so as y'all know, I've gotten a synthesizer, and I've been playing around with it and finding all sorts of different crazy musical things to do with it, and as I find them upon my musical journey, I've actually filmed... they're not complete songs. I suppose I could take the audio files and send them to Caleb. He could use them on his channel. But I've made videos of, sort of, not the creation process, but I've produced a backing track of my own and played things with the synthesizer over it to sort of demonstrate what you can do. And I posted those on Facebook. I guess I could post those to my YouTube channel because that's music with video content already. So I guess that's my question. Would you guys like to see some synthesizer jam videos?
Some boy jamming out?
Some boy jamming. Because that's
some boy jamming, dude.
That's my problem.
Some boy jammies.
That's the problem with the other songs.
You should do it in jammies. Do a song wearing your jammies.
I've already got some that aren't in jammies that I'm probably going to post. I'll probably post one later tonight.
In your jammies?
Not in my jammies. I'm not going to have enough time because in order to make one of these videos, I have to
It's a jam in your jammies.
I have to go home. I have to play around with the synthesizer.
Jammies?
Fine. Actually, you know what? That'll be anytime I make one of these, I'm going to call it...
An Adam Jammy?
Adam Jammies. Adam Jammies and the date. Because they're random, they're sporadic. It's just, I sit down at my synthesizer and I tweak around with the knobs until I find a random sound that I really, really like, and I put it through my sequencer and make it musical, and fun things happen.
Like any short or incomplete song you do, it's just an Adam Jammy.
It's just an Adam Jammy.
In your jammies.
In my jammies. I might go back and redo the Means Woodshop filler with actual synthesizer.
That'd be cool.
That would be cool. Would y'all like to see some Adam Jammies on my channel?
Because I link your channel to all my videos.
Okay.
So we need some Amy Jammies on there.
Would y'all like to see Caleb in an Adam Jammy?
I'll be in an Adam Jammy. I mean, I don't think I'll be able to do nothing, but I could be there.
You can just sit there.
I watched a video on Instagram today of this girl in the 70s that, like, she was laying on the floor.
Oh, she had quarters on her
belly?
belly?
Yeah, she could flip, like, individual quarters down her belly.
A lot of people find the whole belly dancing thing, like, sensual and attractive and stuff. I'm just kind of like, I don't know, man. What is your weekly question?
When you're out buying lumber for your project, do you tend to avoid wood that has knots in it or other
Imperfections.
And do you tend to try to find clear, open grain, uniform wood, or do you choose the knots and the imperfections? Knots or no knots? Imperfections or no imperfections? I prefer to try to find as many knots as I can. I want the weird stuff, and a lot of people avoid sapwood. Let me know. I think y'all are really gonna like Friday's project.
Oh yeah, I see you over there. Everybody needs a friend.
Everybody needs a friend,
Everybody needs a friend.
That's the only hint you're getting. If you liked and enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to this channel because we have new videos every Wednesday and Friday. Click that notification bell so you don't miss nothing.
Ding!
Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.